Part 1. New words.
Safe. A safe town. A safe trip. Dangerous. A dangerous sport. A dangerous street. A place. A beautiful place. A good place to visit. Modern. A modern hotel. A modern office. Interesting. An interesting trip. An interesting book. Boring. A boring game. A boring film.
Part 2. Grammar 1. Past simple negative.
We stayed at a modern hotel. We didn't stay at a modern hotel. I bought an interesting book. I didn't buy an interesting book. We visited many interesting places in that city. We didn't visit any boring museums there. They stayed at a very noisy hotel. They didn't stay at a quiet hotel. She thought it was a safe place to stay. She didn't think that place was dangerous. The train arrived at the station on time. The train didn't arrive late. It was cold and dark, and the roads were dangerous. It was cold and dark, and the roads weren't safe.
Part 3. Grammar 2. Because.
It was too late and we didn't go to the shop. We didn't go to the shop because it was too late. They didn't book the tickets because they were very expensive. We didn't stay at that hotel because it was too noisy. I didn't like the airport because it wasn't very modern. She didn't spend much time in the museum because it wasn't very interesting. We didn't fly to that country because it was too dangerous.
Part 4. Grammar 1 and 2. Read and choose.
I didn't think the film was interesting. The house wasn't very modern. We didn't take that bus because it didn't look safe. She said the place was very boring.
Part 5. Quiz.
The trip wasn't very interesting. We didn't see many beautiful places. She didn't want to eat because she wasn't very hungry. The hotel wasn't very modern and they didn't pay much for it. His money wasn't in his bag. He didn't know where it was.